Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make PB&J French toast. First, gather your ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite jelly. Next, whisk 1 large egg with 1/4 cup of milk and a dash of vanilla extract in a shallow dish. Finally, prepare a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, ready for cooking. Now, let's assemble our delicious sandwich. Spread 2 tablespoons of peanut butter evenly on 1 slice of bread. Then, spread 1 tablespoon of jelly on the other slice. Press the 2 bread slices together firmly to create a perfect PB&J sandwich. Carefully dip the entire sandwich into your egg mixture, ensuring both sides are thoroughly coated for that classic French toast texture. Place your coated sandwich onto the preheated pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. For food safety, ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove it from the pan, slice it diagonally, and serve immediately. A sprinkle of powdered sugar or a drizzle of syrup makes it extra special. For the best results, use a thick-cut bread. It holds the peanut butter and jelly filling much better. Don't be afraid to experiment with different nut butters, like almond butter or various fruit preserves, to find your favorite combination. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon to the egg mixture for extra flavor. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the Darn Tough link in the description. They're amazing, and you'll find other great deals there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.